What's up, everybody? So it's quiz time. Fun. Here we go. Welcome to Earth Science, of course. So what we've got, some questions that are going to feel perhaps frustrating. First things first, if you haven't done all this, you should definitely not be watching this video or even thinking about the quiz. It's going to be based on the idea that you've already fought through these labs. I know this was a beefy assignment. This took a little bit. So if you've done all of this, you finished the labs, you're comfortable with that, then you're ready for the quiz. And then you might say, when you see a few of these questions, I'm not ready for this quiz because it's going to look like things that I haven't asked you yet. And this is the trick that the Regents likes to do. You might say that's not fair, but that's kind of what the Regents does. Is it says, okay, if you know how to use this chart, if you really know how to use it, you can really figure out a whole lot of different things. So when you see some of these questions, it's not going to be as typical as, this one kind of looks like your lab, right? Where you took this time, you got the difference, and you figured out the distance. They're only going to have you do little parts of that, but they're going to give you different little bits of information to make your life difficult, honestly. That's what the Regents loves to do, right? So my suggestion, and I know that this is going to be like, it might be a little bit of a freak out initially, is first make sure you have enough time. There's 10 questions. Each one of these might take a couple of minutes. So look up at the clock if you're in class, or budget your time if you're remote or whatever you're doing. If you don't have enough time, don't start it yet. Wait until you do. Next suggestion is whatever a question gives you, you're going to have to figure out what they want on this. This one right here says something about 3,200 kilometers. I'm certainly not going to do the question for you because it's a quiz. But hint, 3,200 kilometers, the key is to this question, whatever they ask is going to 3,200 kilometers. And then what are they going to ask? A P wave time, an S wave time, or an earthquake happened here, figure out the P or the difference between them, or what time does this happen? There's all kinds of stuff they can ask, but all kinds of stuff that you can figure out if you've done these labs and fought through them. Okay? So think of them like puzzles. Don't read it, say, Mr. F didn't teach me that, I don't know what, I'm done. Or I'm just guessing C. Take a minute, try to unravel the puzzle, and you guys will do great. Of course, as per usual, if it doesn't go perfectly the first time, shoot me a quick email or raise your hand in class or whatever it takes, and we can reset it, and you can take another stab at it. Okay? Good luck. I'd say we're just about done with tectonics. Get ready for the test after this. Thanks, folks. Good luck.